Welcome to the channel. I'm Jill. So today, you guys, I'm excited about today because it is create a lantern collaboration or make a lantern collaboration. Now this collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor channel. I'll have her link in my description box down below. So please check her out. If you like what she's doing, go ahead and subscribe. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. Welcome, welcome, welcome to my JS family and all my new subscribers. Welcome, hugs, and blessings to you. So you guys, I am going to start with this lantern. Now I've added this deer. This is a tree topper. So I've added him on top, and because of the way the lantern is made, I have secured him with some floral wire, leaving some wire out so that I may attach my my greenery. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm trying to secure these two pieces together with some floral wire. I'm going to stop talking and let you watch what I'm doing with some music. So grab you a quick beverage and a snack, and let's get to this. So here, you guys, I'm going to use this white ribbon that I found in my stash to make the biggest bow I can make, because I want to use this ribbon to hide the fact that my deer head is a Christmas tree topper. So I always forget that I have this bow maker until I watch Melissa over at Buckeye Girls Reefs. I'm going to put her channel here so you'll know who I'm speaking of. Thank you so much, Melissa, for reminding me that I have this thing. So you guys, I made 2 of these bows, one for the front and one for the back, to again hide the part of the deer that I don't want seen. So here you guys, I have attached my florals with the floral wire. I left some, remember, sticking out from the deer, and then I left some on the floral so I could attach the 2 pieces together. So now I'm checking to see exactly where I'd like to place my bow. And I'm liking this, you guys. What about you? So yeah, I am loving it already, and we're not done. So let's continue. Okay, you guys, this is going to be the end of my video. However, don't forget to check out the other ladies by following the hashtag in the title. And you know how I like to close out. I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Have a great day, you guys.